Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Leeds Leap review video, we're going to have a look at a brand new feature that Leeds Leap have just launched today, and it's called the countdown timer for your landing page. So a lovely little feature which creates a sense of urgency for when you're building your list. We'll have a look at that in just a second. Leeds Leap is totally free to join. There'll be a link in the description, and that's going to take you to a page the same as this. So you'll see here in the top right hand corner, join free. It can be forever free. I've upgraded to Pro because I use it every day in my business, but it can be forever free. And it's been online since 2008, and you can build it even with all the free tools. You can build it for any online business that you've got. There's also an option as a free member to earn residual income, so that's a great option there. And today I'm going to do a live demonstration and just show you the landing page builder. If you like Make Money Online videos, then please click subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. I've now currently done over 240 videos on my channel on the main components of making money online, which are tools, traffic, and training. I've also done social media, list building, building a YouTube channel. So I've also organized everything into playlists for you. So you don't have to look around the channel too much. And you'll see here, there's 9 videos here in the Leeds Leap playlist. So if you want to watch some more Leeds Leap videos, review videos that I've done, then I'm going to pin that playlist to the top comment under this video. So let's now have a look at this new feature. So I'm in my back office here of Leeds Leap. You'll see here in the top left, I'm a Pro member. And the landing page feature, we sort of have to ask the question, why do we need a countdown timer on our landing page? Well, what happens is if you have a look at a landing page that hasn't got one, and if you look at one that has, what it does, it can create, as long as you've got your really good text copy on here, it can create a sense of urgency, especially if you're promoting a special offer. Maybe it's an offer that's going to run out within so many hours or so many minutes. So it really does psychologically work for those kind of offers, and it just also gives it a little bit of natural urgency for people that think, oh, I better hurry up, otherwise I'm going to miss out on this offer. So you'll see here a couple of little different ways you can do things. Looks really good, and what they've done on the Leeds Leap blog is there's a step-by-step tutorial. Leeds Leap are great with their tutorials. If you're an absolute beginner, a tutorial step-by-step on how to actually implement this into your landing pages. I'm going to go and do a live demo for you now. So the link in the description will take you to a page like this. All you do is scroll down, and then you'll see here all the different tabs: free traffic, free tools, free money, and testimonials. So we're going to go to the tools page, and we're going to scroll down, and under landing page builder, you'll see this little icon here, try landing page builder now. So even before you actually sign up for Leeds Leap, before you even register an account, you can practice this landing page builder. Now, I've done other videos on this. I'm not going to go into great detail today, but just want to give you an idea of how simple it is to do. So you click on template, and you've got, I think there's 11 templates when you have to slide down here. Click on template. Let's say, as an example, you wanted to put a countdown timer in this one here. We'll just wait while it loads up a second. So you can't break this. You just click on the link in the description, go to your page, and then all you do is, let's say if you wanted to change that text there, you've got this WYSIWYG on the right hand side, you've got your widgets here on the left, all you would do is literally use it like a normal WYSIWYG, and you just put in there, change your word. You can change everything. I love my new countdown timer, and then so everything's there on there. All right, a user guide in the top right. So a user guide takes you through every step of the way, and then you've got all the other tools that you can integrate with this. You've got not just a lead capture page, you've got a free list management system, so you can build a list for free. You've also got a tracker, and you've also got a pop-up generator, which you can also play around with like this and try this as well. So if you've enjoyed the video, then please click subscribe. Just a quick video today. Please give it a big thumbs up if you've liked it, and that will help me support me in my YouTube journey, and I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Any questions on this new tool or on Leads Leap in general, leave those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. Thanks very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.